Alright, so for your last skill, you are dividing fractions, and this is just for review. Remember, whenever we divide fractions, we keep the first number, change to multiplication. So we keep the first number, so for this example, it would be 1/2. And instead, we change, so this would be change. So we change division to multiplication. And because we change division to multiplication, we flip the second fraction. And so this would be 5/3. And we then multiply across, so this would be 1 times 5, which is 5. 2 times 3, which is 6. Now, 5/6, the greatest common factor is just 1, so we would just leave it as 5/6. So you put 5 dash 6, 5/6. Okay, so the next one, here we go. Let me erase these. Okay. Remember, we keep change because dividing fractions is much more complicated, so we just make it much easier because multiplying fractions is way easier. Keep the first number. This was, oops. This is supposed to be flip. Okay, so we have 2/3. We keep the first number. We change the division sign to multiplication, and we flip it, which would be 4/1. Because if I change an operation, I have to take the inverse of the next number. So 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 1 is 3. And the greatest common factor between 8 and 3 is 1, so we don't need to simplify. Your answer would be 8/3. And that's all you do. So remember, you keep, change, and then flip. Don't forget to flip it at the end right here. That's why I put the arrow so that we remember. And there you go.